Hi, I'm Sönke. I work in field sales at HellermannTyton, and I'm your contact for appliance and heating, ventilation, air conditioning solutions. Today, I'd like to show you one of my favorite products. Not because it's particularly big or complex, but because it makes a real difference in everyday production. In many conversations with customers, the same question keeps coming up. How can I fix cables quickly, cleanly, and securely without unnecessary process steps? And that's exactly where I like to use this edge clip. This is an edge clip for 1 up to 3 millimeters of panel thickness with an integrated cable holder. In other words, the edge is used directly as the fixing point, and the cable is immediately guided into a defined, clean position. What I particularly like about it is this. The solution is simple, and that's exactly what makes it so powerful. Fewer manual steps mean shorter assembly times. The fixed positioning ensures consistent quality and reduces typical assembly failures. And because no cable tie needs to be cut off, there is less waste. For me, this edge clip is a perfect addition whenever processes need to become faster, clearer, and more stable. For you, this means you can simplify assembly processes, reduce cycle times, and at the same time ensure consistent quality. Especially in the appliance industry, that's a real advantage. I recommend products like this because they have proven themselves in real-world applications. And these are exactly the kinds of solutions we develop together with our customers at HellermannTyton. If you like to find out whether this edge clip is a good fit for your application, or if you're generally considering clip solutions, feel free to get in touch with me.